console application in C#. So I'll start by opening Visual Studio 2019 and I'll click on create a new project. So I'll say console application.NET framework and press next. So here we'll just give name to our application. I'll say console application sample 1. And now we can choose the framework, the .NET framework that we are using for our application. So I have like different versions of .NET framework installed in this machine. So based on what frameworks you have on your machine, right, you'll see all the available frameworks in this dropdown. So right now I'll just select 4.6.1 and let's say create. So this is our console application, and I'll open Solution Explorer. We'll probably go into details of like what Solution Explorer is and what other windows. Basically what are these different windows and tabs that you see here later on. But right now, what I want you to focus on is this program.cs file. So, and this file basically has like a namespace. A namespace has this class called as program. Right, and it has a static void main method, and which is the entry point of your C# application, right? So all C# application, they should have like an entry point method, and it has to be the name of this method has to be main. Okay, so in this case, what we are going to do is just going to do basically we would show something on the console. So for that we use this console class. So I'll say console.writeLine. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just click on start, and it should build our application and then run the application, right? So you saw the console did come and just no went away. So now in order to see that message on the console, what we can do is we can do a console read, let's say read line. So what this would do is it would ask for a user input. Till the user gives an input, it is going to stop you on that screen. Right, so let's start this again. So my first console application, and I can press enter to exit out of this application, right? So thank you guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.